The no signal error on your LG monitor means it's not receiving a video signal from your device, like a PC or console. This usually happens due to a failed HDMI handshake, where the source device and monitor can't properly communicate. We'll cover how to troubleshoot and fix this issue. To verify the source device, first test it with another monitor or TV to ensure it's outputting a signal correctly. Make sure the source device is fully powered on and showing output on its own screen. Check that the correct resolution and refresh rate are selected in the device's display settings, as shown here. A faulty HDMI cable is a common culprit behind no signal errors. Start by inspecting the cable for any visible damage like frayed ends, bent pins, or cuts in the insulation. Ensure you're using a high-speed HDMI cable rated for 18GB pSyncs or higher, especially for 4K resolutions. Lower-rated cables may not support the required bandwidth. If using adapters like HDMI to DisplayPort converters, ensure they are active converters that include signal processing chips, particularly important for high resolutions. As a final step, try connecting with a different known working HDMI cable to rule out cable issues completely. A simple power cycle can often resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your LG monitor and the source device like a PC or console. Unplug both devices from the power outlet for about 30 seconds. Then plug them back in and turn them on. This resets their connections. Outdated firmware on your LG monitor or outdated graphics drivers on your PC can cause compatibility issues with HDMI connections, leading to no signal errors. To update your LG monitor firmware, visit LG's website and enter your specific monitor model. Check the support section for any available firmware updates, then download and install the latest version. For graphics drivers, update through your manufacturer's website. For NVIDIA, visit nvidia.com/drivers. For AMD, visit amd.com/drivers. For Intel, visit intel.com/drivers. Download and install the latest drivers compatible with your system. If the basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your HDMI no signal issue, try these advanced options. First, access your monitor's on-screen display menu, usually by pressing a button on the monitor. Navigate to the input or source settings to ensure the correct HDMI input is selected. In the OSD menu, verify that the HDMI input corresponding to your cable connection is active. Different monitors may label inputs as HDMI 1, HDMI 2, etc. Also in the OSD, look for any EDID or display identification settings. Toggling these can reset the communication between your device and monitor, potentially resolving handshake issues. Finally, try connecting to a different HDMI port on either your monitor or the source device. Ports can sometimes become faulty, and switching them can isolate the issue. If none of these steps resolve the issue, the problem might be with the monitor's hardware or the source device itself. Contact LG support or a qualified technician for further assistance or warranty service. Be prepared to provide details about your setup and the troubleshooting steps you've already taken.